Next problem. Here, prove that the radius of curvature at the point. Prove that the radius of curvature at the point minus 2a comma 2a on the curve x square y is equal to a into x square plus y square is minus 2a. We have to show that the radius of curvature of a given curve is equal to minus 2a. Right? Now, see, solution. What is a given curve? Given curve is equal to x square y is equal to a into x square plus y square. You call that equation number 1. Given point is equal to, what is that point? Minus 2a comma 2a. Now what we have to find out? We have to find the radius of curvature. What is the radius of curvature formula? 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. Right? If the given equation is in Cartesian form, then we have to use that formula. See, what we have to do first of all, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Now, dy by dx of x square y is equal to d by dx of a into x square plus y square. This is equal to uv formula we are applying, that is x square into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x square is equal to, here a into, because a is a coefficient of x square plus y square and it is a constant, we can take it outside the differentiation symbol. Now here d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square now is equal to x square into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x square is 2x is equal to a into d by dx of x square is 2x. Here this one is 2y into dy by dx. Right? Now again we are trying shift all the terms, dy terms to left hand side and other terms to right hand side. Now what you will get? X square into dy by dx minus 2ay into dy by dx is equal to 2ax minus 2xy. Right? Now here we can take dy by dx common. X square minus 2ay is equal to 2ax minus 2xy. From here dy by dx is equal to 2ax minus 2xy by x square minus 2ay. You call that equation number 2. Right? Now here we want to find dy by dx at x is equal to 2a comma y is equal to 2a. Right? Now this implies 2a into x value is minus 2a minus 2 into minus 2a into 2a by x square is minus 2a whole square 2a into 2y, which is equal to, what will get here? Minus 4a square minus minus becomes plus, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8a square by 4a square minus 4a square, that is equal to 4a square by 0, which is not defined. Right? This is nothing but infinite. Since therefore dy by dx at minus 2a comma 2a is equal to infinity. Since dy by dx at minus 2a comma 2 is infinite, therefore the radius of curvature right? The radius of curvature rho is given by what? Fx plus fx square plus fy square whole to the power of 3 by 2 whole by fxx into fy square minus 2 into fx into fy into fxy plus fyy into fx square. If the radius of curvature, if you want to find the radius of curvature, if dy by dx value at a point is infinity, then we have to apply this formula, right? Infinite. Therefore, the radius of curvature is given by this formula, right? So what is fx ante? That is the function differentiation number. Here fx is nothing but the given function is what? Here x square y is equal to a into x square plus y square, no? Now that is denoted by f. We have to find the partial derivatives of f with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Okay, right. Now see, next, let f is equal to what is the given equation actually in the rough work? See, we'll write x square y is equal to a into x square plus y square, no? This can be written as, bring it to left hand side, x square y minus a into x square plus y square is equal to 0. This one is denoted by f. Therefore, f is equal to x square y minus a into x square plus y square, right? Now, you call that equation number 1, 2, and 3, right? Now, differentiate equation 3 partially with respect to x. That is, fx is equal to what will get? 2xy minus 2ax. We are differentiating partially, no? Right. Now I want fx value at x is equal to minus 2a and 2a. This is equal to 2 into minus 2a into 2a minus 2a into minus 2a. This is equal to minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 a square minus into minus plus 4a square is equal to minus 4a square is the answer, right? Next, now fxx, that means second time partial differentiation, that is equal to what you will get here? 2y minus 2a. Now that implies fx value at minus 2a comma 2a is equal to 2 into 2a minus 2a, which is but nothing but 4a minus 2a is equal to 2a. Now fx value we know, fxx value we know, right? Next I am finding fxy value, right? That means if you differentiate fx with respect to y partially, what you will get? See, that is 2x, right? That implies fxy at minus 2a comma 2a is equal to 2 into minus 2a minus 4a, that is fxy value. Next, fy means what? Differentiate equation 3 partially with respect to y, then we will get fy. Fy is equal to x square minus a into 2y, that is 2ay. Now I want fy value at minus 2a comma 2a is equal to minus 2a whole square minus a into 2 into 2a, that is equal to 4a square minus 4a square, which is nothing but 0. fy value is 0. Right? Next I want fyy is equal to, if you differentiate this one partially with respect to y, you will get fyy, that is minus 2a. That implies fyy value at minus 2a comma 2a is minus 2a only, because there is no x and there is no y on the right side. Therefore as it is constant we will get. Now we know fx value, fy value, fxx value, fyy value, fxy or fyx. Now simply substitute these values in the radius of curvature formula. Rho is equal to, what is fx? Fx is what? Minus 4a square, minus 4a square whole square, plus what is fy? Fy value is 0, 0 whole square, whole to the power of 3 by 2 by, now what is that formula? Fx square, see, fxx into fy square, no? Right. Fxx value is 2a into fy square is 0 square minus 2 into fx value is minus 4a square, fy value is 0 into fxy value is, fxy value is minus 4a, plus next what you want to fyy, what is fyy value? Minus 2a into fx square, what is fx? Minus 4a square whole square. Simplify this one. Rho is equal to, this 4 4s are 16a square, a power 4, a square whole square and a power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2 by, this one is 0, this term is 0, here minus into minus becomes plus, right? Now 4 square and 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32, a power 4 into a is a power 5. This is further simplification, a 13 14. 315. Right. Now rho is equal, that implies rho is equal to, we have to simplify this one again. Here see, 16a power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 20. This 2 times gets cancelled, no? What you will get here? 4a square whole to the power of 3 by 32a power 5. Again that implies 16a power, what you will get? 3 2s are 6, right? 3 2s are 6, 4 whole cube, no? Not 4 square. 4 cube means 64, right? 64 a power 6 by 32 into a power 5. This one time gets cancelled. That implies rho is equal to, this 2 times gets cancelled, 2a, right? What is this? There is a minus sign, is will be there, no? Right. See here. See here, minus 4a whole square means minus minus becomes plus. Here it is 1 minus. Therefore here you will get minus 32a power 5. Minus 32a power 5. This is minus 32a power 5 minus 32a power 5 minus 2a. Therefore rho is equal to minus 2a. This is our question now. Show that rho is equal to the radius of curvature at the point minus 2a, 2a on the curve is minus 2a, right? This is our aim. Okay, right.